Hello there. So this is the drain out of our bathtub in our house. And what you used to do was lift it up, turn it a quarter turn, and the stopper would stay up so the tub water would drain. Well, a few days ago it wouldn't stay up anymore. So I had to try and take it apart to see what was going on. So this top unscrews. There it goes. Still got a bit of water in it. Anyhow, I thought there'd be a set screw in there that would let you get this part off. There wasn't. So this actually unscrews off of this brass shaft. But without the little pin in here that lets the stopper stay up, there's no way of unscrewing it, because it just turns inside there. So I had to get a pair of needle nose vice grips in there, and that let me unscrew that. So now what I got to do is make a stainless steel pin that size to get it back in operation. I could buy a whole new stopper, I suppose, but I don't want to do that. So in order to make that stainless steel pin, I needed some stainless steel. So I had these stainless steel machine screws. I'm going to machine these down to whatever diameter that is inside. So I just have to figure out what diameter of pin I need. And unfortunately I don't have a set of gauge pins. I've been threatening to buy those for quite a while, but one of these days. However, I do have drill bits. So hopefully, I say I'm missing a few though, so it's probably the size I'm missing. So that size there is 3/32. Get out my little calculator here. AKA phone. So that's 0.093. That's a bit of a loose fit, so I need a interference fit so the pin will stay inside there. So if I go about 3,000, so 0.096 is what I'll cut this down to. So I'm going to write that down, as I will forget. 0.094. So we're going to shoot for 0.097. Let's say my Matutoyo. Something like that. Calipers. Hopefully the battery's not dead. Nope. I don't keep the heat on here unless I'm in here, so it tends to be hard on batteries and things. So these screws are 0.17, so need something roughly half the size. So I've got more than one in case I drop them. 0.173. Okay, so I'm just going to get these set up in the lathe and take them down. Okay, so what speed are we at here? Speed her up just a bit here. So I'm just going to move that screw in a bit. A little bit less stick out. The shelf is getting cluttered up here. So we only need about 1/2 inch anyways. Yeah, I'll give you lots. Alrighty, just take a very light cut here. Okay, so of course nothing goes as you anticipate. Those original screws I had were too close to the finished diameter, so just to put a little pressure on them, I was bending them. So I dug up another stainless fastener that had a little bit more bulk to it. Put 1-3, so still got a ways to go. I take very little off, like I say, any amount of pressure on there just bends it, so try chewing some more off. Okay, so we're at 0.098. So we're within 1/1000th of where we want to be. That's good. This goes in a little bit, but then it starts to resist, so I think that'll work. We'll just cut it to size now and try her out. Okay, so I've got this guy tapped in there now. So that pin will allow me to slide that down, then thread this part back into the piece that's still in the tub, the part of the drain that remains behind. And then this part here screws together like that. That top goes on like that. Stopper down. Drain position. Bathtub is back fully operational now, so like I say, I probably could have bought a whole new stopper, but this kind of stuff you never know if you can actually buy it or not because it comes with a tub. So anyways, fixed it. Save buying a piece or save calling the plumber anyways. So that's a little how-to. If you didn't have a lathe, you could just go to Amazon. You could buy these small stainless steel pins. You just have to wait a few days to get them. But otherwise, put that back together and the bathtub will be fully operational again. Thanks for watching. Please like and or subscribe. Bye for now.